Hi, I'm Deborah. I just wanted to welcome you to my email subscriber list and thank you for signing up. I hope that you've received whatever you signed up for, whether it was an article or whether it was a free ebook or whether it was a free training course, but I'm glad you're here. My name is Deborah and I have been working at home on my laptop in my pajamas since 2008. And I've been doing strictly affiliate marketing since 2015. I learned from a company called Wealthy Affiliate, which might be why you're here. If you saw some kind of a promotion I did or some kind of advertisement or article about Wealthy Affiliate, that might be why, how you ended up here. Wealthy Affiliate is the way I started. They're the ones that taught me how to work online. They're the ones that taught me how to make websites. They're the ones that taught me how to do marketing. They're the ones that taught me how to create a website that makes money. And that's what I do for a living. And that's what affiliate marketing is. They also do other sorts of marketing, email marketing, e-commerce, all that sorts of things. I personally like affiliate marketing. That's what I do. So there are other training companies that teach affiliate marketing. One is Affilorama. Another one is SFM. It's short for the Six Figure Mentors. I do promote both of those companies. I think they have great things to offer. They have a lot of free training to start with. And I've learned a lot from them. But the one that I recommend most is the one I started with, and that's Wealthy Affiliate. For me, it's the most free stuff, for one thing. It's the most free training that you get out of all of them. And even when you do upgrade to a premium membership, if you decide that you like it and you want to keep going, and it's cheaper than any other affiliate marketing program out there. You get way, way more for your money. I've been in 3 years. I'm still doing new trainings with Wealthy Affiliate. The training is ongoing. They do live webinars. A lot of us on Wealthy Affiliate do trainings ourselves and we exchange trainings with each other. So it's a really valuable resource. If you're serious about working online and making money online and you really want to make it your full-time job and it's what you want to do for a living, I really highly recommend that you go with Wealthy Affiliate. It's what I do, and I recommend it highly. So here's what's going to happen. Below this video, and also you're going to be receiving emails and articles. You'll always have a link where you can sign up for a free starter account with Wealthy Affiliate. It's free to start. They're not going to ask you for your credit card. You get 20 free classes. They're video classes, step-by-step video classes, and you get 20 of them in that free starter account. Plus, you have access to me. You have access to everybody in the community. You can ask questions. And it's really a good way to get yourself started for free and to look and see, is this a training I can follow? Is this something that I like? Is this what I'm looking for? Maybe it's not exactly what you were looking for, but hopefully, by the time you're done with the 20 classes, you're going to know whether it's for you. And that'll be up to you if you want to upgrade to a premium membership. I've been a premium member for 3 years now, and I find it to be priceless. It's not expensive. It's easy. I'll be sending you discount information and all kinds of stuff. But you don't have to worry about that. I would suggest if you wound up here, you're looking to make money online, go ahead and sign up and see what you can learn, see what you can find out. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, right? You got nothing to lose. So thank you again for subscribing, and you're on my email list now. So anytime you get an email from me, you can reply to that email. It will come to me and I will respond. You can make comments on any videos that I make. I will see those comments. I will respond. And I'm here to help you. So please reach out to me. My name is Deborah. If I can help you along the way, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you again so much. Bye-bye.